Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Fantasy Premier League account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in fantasy.premierleague.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Fantasy Premier League. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure home option is selected over here. Now right over here, you'll be able to find two options, login, register now. If you want to register for your account, click on this option, register now. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can sign in to your account if you already have the account. But if you do not have the account, simply scroll down. Now click on this option for join now that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to join. You'll be able to join via email address, or you can also join with Google, Facebook, Apple or X. Simply click on the option that is preferable for you. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of email address and provide the email address over here. Now once you do that, click on this option, join with email, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters. It must be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters. It must contain one number and at least one special character. So create the password accordingly. Now enter your first name, enter your last name. After doing that, also enter the date of birth. First of all, enter the month, now enter the day, now enter the year. Now once you do that, also select the gender. Click on the field of gender. Now you'll be able to select the gender over here. Click on the option of your choice. Likewise, you'll also have to select the country of residence. Click on the field of country of residence. Now you'll be able to select the country over here. You'll be able to find various options. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can also enter the nationality and phone number if you want. They are completely optional. Now check on this option. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. If you would like to receive the email, simply check on this box that you can see right over here. Now after you do that, click on this option, create an account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply open Gmail, go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now once you do that, Gmail will be opened. You can see over here Premier League has sent me the email. Click on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the Premier League tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after you enter the verification code, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has been created and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you create Fantasy Premier League account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.